AI is changing everything right now, but here's the truth. Most people are watching it happen instead of using it to change their lives. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can go from just watching AI to actually building with it, earning with it, and staying ahead. My name is Cletus Ajibade. I've spent over a decade building software systems, leading AI initiatives, and helping developers grow. I am also a co-inventor on a US patent where we built an AI-driven scheduling and medical decision system in the operating room. AI is not just another tool. It is changing how software is built, it is changing careers, and it's creating a massive gap between people who understand it and people who do not. Right now, most people are stuck in one of three places. They are watching tutorials but not building anything. They are using AI tools without understanding how to create real value. Or they are completely confused about where to start. And the truth is this: watching content will not change your life. Building real systems will. That is exactly why I created the UnlimitedCode AI Bootcamp. This is not another course where you just watch videos. This is a hands-on, structured program where you actually build. You build real-world AI systems. You learn how to apply AI to real problems, and you gain skills that can directly increase your income. There are two tracks in this bootcamp. The first one is the engineers and developers track. If you are a developer or an engineer, this track is for you. You will learn how to build agentic AI systems that can plan, systems that can take action, and also systems that can evaluate outcomes. You will design real workflows and deploy solutions that actually work in real scenarios. This is about moving from just writing code to building intelligent systems. If you are not technical, don't worry. The second track is designed for professionals just like you. You will learn how to use AI to work smarter, increase your income, and stay relevant in a fast-changing world. No coding required. Just practical, real-world applications. Here are the key details you need to know. The bootcamp starts on May 9, 2026. We are keeping the cohort small and focused, so every participant gets real attention. You'll have live sessions, collaboration days, and a structured learning experience. And once you enroll, you'll get access to your training workspace and the community. And here is something I know you want to hear about: the cost. We've enabled a 40% discount for the bootcamp fee. Use the coupon code in the description below to get your discount. This significantly reduces your cost, but it's only available for a limited time. Seats are limited, not because we want scarcity, but because we want real results for every participant. If you are serious about learning AI the right way, building real systems, and positioning yourself for the future, then now is the time to act. Use the link below to enroll, apply your discount code, and secure your spot. Don't just watch the AI revolution, be part of the people building it.